Hey everyone, welcome back to ITV. Hope all are good. I am Tipu from here. I am also good. And today's episode, we will explore the Meshnology W10 LoRa AIoT Dev Kit. The last time I unboxed this board and what they are offering in this package. So this is the second video of this series, and today we will explore. And today we are explore the feature of this board, and finally we will power up this board and see what happened. In the last video, if you watching, we have several things comes with this board. There is a USB type C cable inside the box. You get a LoRa antenna. You will get a GPS antenna. You will get an unsoldered TFT display. This one is unsoldered, but I will soldered it before I making this video. You got a speaker and this board. So this board have GPS connectivity, this board have LoRa connectivity, this board have audio connectivity. There are two sensor, one is temperature and humidity sensor, another one is accelerometer and gyroscope sensor. This board powered by ESP32-S3 and it have 2.4 gigahertz of integrated Wi-Fi and Bluetooth 5 BLE mesh, and it have 8 megabyte of PS RAM and 16 megabyte of flash memory. So it's used for our connectivity and power. Okay, also this one is compatible with LoRaWAN protocol. So we will try everything one by one, and you can see if you closely look at the board processor here, and this one PS module. Okay, so this one is a GPS module and this one is SX126 LoRa module, this one integrated, and this one is the ESP32-S3, and this board have two antenna option, so one for GPS connectivity and another one is for LoRa connectivity. Okay, and there is a battery input port. There is a speaker output port, this one the speaker output port, and there are several GPIO pin out here, and there is some display output port, and also you can use a camera. Okay, so this one is a multiple feature board. This one also had, and this one is PCF85063 ultra low power RTC module integrated, so you will get the offline data, offline timestamp from here, and there is some Arduino style pinout. Okay, so it can be directly used by the Arduino Shield, some of your Arduino Shield. Okay, and battery management, it has AXP2101 for the stable power control and protection, and this one is the camera interface, so you can use a camera interface. Okay, and this one you can use the LCD panel, either if you have touch screen LCD. Okay, so then you can use it. If you go their website, I will put the link in the description. So this is their website, and you can see this comes only for $47.99, and of course choose accordingly as your region support LoRa band. Okay, and you can see it have all the feature included, all the details, technical details, and if you go their wiki, then you will find the board more details and their example. Okay, so I will try to make a full compact from a full complete series with this board, and this little 1.3 inch, sorry, 1.54 TFT SPI display you can directly plug in your W10 module. Okay, so this one is the connection. Okay, and we will set up the antenna. Okay, so this is the LoRa antenna, and this one the GPS antenna. They give you the active GPS antenna, so if we need to connect it in the outdoor, then we can connect it, because in the indoor GPS signal is very weak, we cannot get the actual GPS signal. Okay, so this is the board, and we will put this GPS in the outside of my room, so it will get the GPS. Okay, so first we will give the power with type C USB port, and let's see what happened. First it will check the sensor detection, so you can see what sensor are in the board, so they will give a power detection, so everything is okay. And you can see it will show some sensor output, the RTC output, temperature and humidity output, and the GPS interface. And you can see the GPS data also coming from our GPS module. And you got a boot button short press for LoRa TX and boot button long press for LoRa RX. Okay, I didn't put any custom code yet. This is the built-in firmware inside this board and it is coming from the factory, so I just give it the power. Okay, so if I just give the power, it will showing every feature of this board to make it some real project in the field test. And we will try to connect with different LoRa module to communication with this port. Okay, so I think we can make it a LoRa gateway with this port, and we can use it as a complete LoRa gateway. Okay, and there is some pin output here. If you can see, in there is some pin out also in the top, also in the bottom, so we can use any custom sensor or adds on sensor like control the relay or add some other sensor here, so we can easily use it. Okay, so I think this module is very good for those who want to connect the LoRa, who want to search for a compact devices, like all the interface, all the module integrated without connecting, without the PCB, the custom PCB and the messy wiring. So you will get the temperature and humidity sensor, gyroscope sensor and accelerometer sensor and RTC module included, display port, and of course LoRa and GPS integrated. So this is the complete solution for those who are searching for the compact devices and all in one board. So I hope you can check out this board. So stay tuned with me. Please subscribe my channel so you will get the update of this board video and other video of mine. So thank you guys, thank you for today, and of course thank you to Meshnology for sending me this unit. I can make some real world test and real world project with this board. Thank you.